We use laptops for work, like sending and receiving emails, word processing, browsing the web, and for entertainment like watching TV shows. Laptops have become a part of our daily lives. But when you expect your laptop to handle slightly heavier tasks beyond basic word processing, does it start to struggle? MSI has heard you loud and clear. Introducing the all-new Venture Series. Whether you need to meet everyday needs or tackle multimedia production, there are various specifications and sizes to choose from. Are you ready to dive into the details of the MSI Venture Series? Let's jump right in. The Venture Series offers 4 different sizes: 14, 15.6, 16, and 17 inches. The laptops feature an aluminum alloy body on the top with a sleek solid gray color that combines subtlety with high quality. When it comes to CPUs, all 4 sizes come with both Intel and AMD versions. In addition to high-performance CPUs, our Venture Series is equipped with a superior cooling system that can lower surface temperature. Regarding GPUs, except for the 14-inch Intel version, the 15.6, 16, and 17-inch models all have options with discrete graphics. The VenturePro series, which includes Pro in the name, features discrete graphics. These models, equipped with up to NVIDIA RTX 50 series graphics, are perfect for users who want to explore more of their laptop's potential. Besides handling everyday tasks and multimedia entertainment, they also manage advanced photo and video editing, and even some light gaming. The Venture Series is packed with a full range of I/O ports, making it perfect for professionals. Here's what you get. There are 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and up to 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C with fast charging support. HDMI 2.1, audio combo jack, DC in, Kensington lock, and RJ45 for stable wired network connection. The 14-inch and 16-inch Venture Series support OLED panels with a 16:10 golden ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and support optional touchscreens for more versatile usage. Additionally, the 15-inch and 17-inch Venture family features 16:9 Full HD IPS level panels with 144 Hz refresh rate. Next up, let's check out the keyboard. The Venture Series keyboard features a single white backlight and a full number pad, perfect for calculation work. With a 1.7mm key travel design, you'll get fantastic key response and tactile feedback. The function keys from F1 to F12 boost your productivity. For example, press F7 to adjust the user scenario, and press F12 to flip and share your screen with friends or colleagues. Also, you can still preserve the original functions of F1 to F12 by pressing the function key plus the escape key. And now all the Venture Series come with Copilot key, which can be your 24/7 smart assistant. And please know that only AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processor is certified by Microsoft as a Copilot Plus PC. The Venture Series features DDR5 memory with 2 upgradable slots, supporting up to 96 GB. Higher memory capacity enhances multitasking, gaming, browsing, content creation, and more. For the battery, Venture Series are equipped with different battery capacities from 55 Wh to 90 Wh, offering greater capacity than competitors in the same class. Larger batteries mean longer battery life and extended usage time. When you use your laptop for work, security is undoubtedly the top priority. That's why the Venture Series includes a Kensington lock slot so you can secure your laptop when you need to step away. Plus, there's a webcam shutter on top of the screen, allowing you to add another layer of personal privacy. In terms of durability, the Venture Series laptops are tested to 810H military standards, guaranteeing MSI's high-quality stability and durability. Introducing the new MSI Center S. It features a more intuitive user interface, offering comprehensive functions while taking up less system space. You can monitor system info from the main page, free up memory for better efficiency, and select the perfect user scenario on the main page. Or just click the MSI AI engine and it will optimize your computer settings based on your current usage. Need an AI assistant to help you brainstorm ideas or draft emails? No problem. The Venture Series laptops come with a Copilot key. Just press the button and you'll have an AI assistant to spark new ideas and even create images based on your brief descriptions. Boost your productivity in no time. Want to work from a coffee shop and still have great online meeting quality? You'll need MSI's exclusive AI Noise Cancellation Pro. This feature effectively gets rid of background noise, so your voice comes through loud and clear, even in the noisiest places. All the Venture series support this feature. To get started, open up the MSI Center S and click on the AI Zone section. Here you can enable speaker noise cancel or microphone noise cancel features. You can also hit advanced settings to tweak more detailed settings. But wait, there's more. The new 3-microphone array design captures 360-degree sound, offering immersive 3D audio and precise voice capture. Whether it's front and left, front and right, or front and rear, you'll get clear audio quality in all your video calls. This awesome feature is available across the entire Venture series. Don't want to lug around a heavy power adapter while working all day? Here's a handy tip. You can enable Echo Silent Mode in MSI Center S. If you have a VenturePro model with discrete graphics, head to the top right corner of the MSI Center S and turn on Battery Boost to disable the discrete GPU. This will significantly extend your battery life. So that's the wrap for the new MSI Venture series, which is designed to meet the diverse needs of modern users from everyday tasks to advanced multimedia production. With a range of sizes and specifications, including powerful Intel and AMD CPUs, discrete NVIDIA graphics in the VenturePro models, these laptops offer both performance and style. Additionally, the upgradable DDR5 memory ensures the laptop can handle multitasking with ease. Paired with the intuitive MSI Center S software, you can effortlessly adjust your laptop settings, making it perfect for both work and play. Whether you're working, creating, or enjoying entertainment, the MSI Venture series is your reliable partner, ready to drive your vision forward. Now it's time to explore the possibilities and elevate your computing experience with the MSI Venture series laptops.